Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to save any application downloaded from the Play Store to your SD card. So guys, without wasting time, let's start. First of all, go to any web browser, then go to the search bar and type PS File Explorer. Click here download button. Open app. Hold the app you want to save, and do that. To find the app's location, go to Internal Storage. Then go to Backup folder. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.